Namaskar. We are the students of Jahannagar Vidyalaya, and today we are here with our project of Viksit Bharat Buildathon, in which we are obviously focusing in a energy which can gives us a sustainable future. In this project, I am here to introducing the solar thermal energy. This is a solar thermal energy, and it is a very sustainable energy resources. We can use this as a very efficient fuel, and it, the best part of this energy is that it is pollution free and it doesn't produce any greenhouse effect or greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. So let me introduce with this project. This is our solar thermal energy. In our day-to-day life, there are so much different energy of energy. It is required to run vehicles and other different things. But when we see the other vehicles or machines are running outside of the world, they are, however, consuming other different types of resources, just like coals and petroleum, which are very costly, and they can be depleted at any time. That they are not non-renewable resources, which can't be again deprived in nature. So it should be in our mind that we have to build a thing which can produce us up energy at for our lifetime, but in a constant rate, as well as which can fulfill our requirement. So here the components that are required in this energy is the convex lens, which will convert the sun rays, the beaker carrying the water, the black copper coating, and a turbine and a battery. Now let me show you that how can this project will work. First of all, the process starts with the sun. When we see about the sun will converts its rays to the convection, and this convection is converts and focuses the whole rays and whole heat energy to a beaker, and this beaker will obviously contain some water, and this water will vaporize and steam up. However, to enhance this process, we will use a black copper coating. Okay, and this black copper coating will help us to enhance this process and the heating of the water. And this heating of the water will produce more steam, and this steam will rotate the turbine, and this turbine will ultimately generate electricity, which can be stored in a battery for the future uses. So that is how our project is so simple and so low cost project, which will can be used in a future. It is a very efficient way to produce energy. And now let me introduce with some benefits of this project. So here we are. It is a low cost energy. It is a low cost and good way to produce energy. In this way, there is less depletion of the resources. This is a pollution free energy. This project uh, this project can be used in coastal areas for more significantly to produce more and more energy to the people who are living in coastal area. And it can give us a new concept of electronic ships in the ocean and in the sea. So this is one of the good innovations for the future, and that's for our project. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande.